I always start my day with alkaline water. Many people start their day with lemon water. For me, alkaline water makes a huge difference when I start my day with it. I get about a cup or a cup and a half spring water from my ceramic fountain. And then I grab my baking soda and my salt, usually a teaspoon of baking soda and half a teaspoon of salt. And then I will take about 1/4 cup. I will drink the rest within an hour or two. It helps me alkalize my system immediately, balance my minerals, and most importantly, release any overnight built up gases in